Hello, a little while ago I uploaded this video, which is basically me showing you how I intended to add sound effects to my Robocop costume using a voice amplifier and an MP3 player. Well, about a year later now, I've finally added it to my costume, and the costume you're about to see is not the same one as I used back then. I've remade some parts of the Robo suit to make it more true to proportions as you see in the movies. So here's me getting into my new Robo suit and showing you what it's like with the onboard sound effects. So I start off as before, black base layer, and then I put on this suspender belt, I guess, which is just some 50mm and 25mm webbing. On top of that next goes the cod piece. This is held up with 3 elastic straps that just go over the shoulders. I do a little sexy wiggle to get into this. And then the legs just slide on and clip to those buckles on the suspender belt. I've attached the lower leg to the thigh with Velcro just so it stays aligned. The shoes just slide on because they are just slip-on shoes inside the Robo shoes. Next goes a hood. This is just a cut-up trouser leg. And then the neck piece goes on, does up at the back with some Velcro. And the body slides on and it does up with Velcro underneath one arm only. Next is the helmet. That just slides on, and then the back part of the helmet is elasticated in the middle and Velcro on either side. And then main difference here is the gloves are attached to the black forearm part, which then slot into the rest of the arm, which means that with the help of a bit of wool, I can then slide these up my arms myself, so I don't need anybody else to help me get dressed into this costume. So that's the costume all on. Now for the rest of this video, all the sound effects you hear are in the suit, none have been added post-production.
It is Robocop.